Here on AMAT, this is a solar company if you're not aware of it. Here on the daily time frame, what I'm looking for is this thing to continue to move to the upside. And as it is moving to the upside, I just want to draw attention to a couple quick things here. First off, we have previous highs, and I'm really looking for this area to reform itself into some type of demand. Okay, so we're flip-flopping from supply to demand. It formed a couple quick little resistance areas here on the daily. Actually, technically there's supply levels here on the daily, but I'm looking to see this area flip-flop, so I like to see that turn red now, or excuse me, a green color now, as price moves to the upside, and then hopefully we'll come back into this area, reform it, and then continue to move again to the north side. So that's what I'm looking to have happen here on the daily time frame. On the 60-minute time frame, you can see a little bit of the support and resistance going on here. Uh, Again, this is the 60-minute time frame, and here's that zone that coincides with the daily zone that I hope will form. So I would like to see price come all the way back to that area, and it just so happens that I actually drew that pretty perfectly uh, just by chance there. So you can see where I'm looking to see price come back into the 60-minute zone, bounce off of it, form major demand right around here from the, let's just call it the 49, we'll say 47.36 up to right around 48-ish area. So I'm looking for that to reform into demand and then bounce to the upside in a check mark trade. Here on AEIS, we have this market that's been kind of chopping around a little bit for the past few months here. You can see it's kind of gone through the summer doldrums. We've popped to the upside all the way up to about 78, 89. And again, this is another solar company here, just in case you're not familiar with this company. So we've come all the way up there and come back down, touch this, and this solar company too is looking like it's going to be busting through this temporary supply that we have going on here. So I'm going to be looking for it to test up even higher and to push into the highs here, starting at about 79.36 all the way up to about 86.25. So this is a big daily supply level going back a little while here. As we can see on the chart, you can kind of see where that zone lies over there on the left-hand side. And really what I'm looking to have happen on this thing is I'm looking for price to continue to the upside. I know we've been through kind of a choppy, rangy summer doldrums type of thing, but I'm looking to see really how strong is supply up here. If we look at price action overall, and I think that's what's really important about all this is where has price been moving like over the past year? And just looking at that much, I know that the price has been moving up, okay? So yes, this has been a pretty nice little pullback here, but now I'm thinking that we're gonna really receive a good retest of that upper supply level. Price is going to push through it, and we're going to see new highs on this particular market, possibly up into the $90 range and into $100. So looking for the solar companies to hopefully take off to the north side here this coming week and in future months.